Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a decal. Let's say you have an image or you want to upload it or you want it in a specified part of the decal. So all you have to do is just to add a part here. Let's move it and then click on scale. Let's scale it like this and then upper like this one. After that, select the decal and then select this part and then click on this plus button and select decal. After that, let's just move. Let's say we want it on this side. Just select it and then we will modify this texture. Find your image, just go here to Google and then you can search Roblox image equal ID. You can have these images here. Just copy one of them and then paste it here in texture. As you can see, we have this image here. But if you want your own your own image, just go to the Roblox Creator Hub, go to Creation. After that, developed items, go to decals, and then upload assets. Just upload your image and then click on upload. After that, you will have it here in your assets and you will have your image ID and then do the same thing as I said before. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.